Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. Mathematics SSLC NCERT Chapter Coordinate Geometry Part 1 2 mark questions with solutions prepared by N. Parmesh. Synopsis. Distance formula. The length of a line segment joining A and B is the distance between the 2 points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Second point, the distance of a point x, y from the origin is root x square plus y square. The distance of P from the x-axis is y units and the y-axis is x units. Third point, midpoint formula. The midpoints of the line segment joining the points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Fourth point, the section formula. The coordinates of the points P of x, y which divides the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 or m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. We can take the ratio as k is to 1 where k is equal to m1 by m2. Fifth point, area of a triangle. The area of a triangle formed by the points ordered pair x1, y1, ordered pair x2, y2 and ordered pair x3, y3 is the numerical value of the expression 1 by 2 mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2 mod close. Sixth point, if 3 points are collinear then we cannot draw a triangle, so the area will be 0, that is mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2 mod close is equal to 0. First problem, find the distance between the points 2, 3 ordered pair and 4, 1 ordered pair. Answer, x1, y1 ordered pair is equal to 2, 3 ordered pair, x2, y2 ordered pair is equal to ordered pair 4, 1. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to root of 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square is equal to root 2 square plus minus 2 whole square is equal to root 4 plus 4 that is equal to root 8 is equal to root 4 2 is 8 that is equal to 2 root 2 units. Second question, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are ordered pair 1, minus 1, ordered pair minus 4, 6 and ordered pair minus 3, minus 5. Answer, ordered pair x1, y1 is equal to ordered pair 1, minus 1, ordered pair x2, y2 is equal to ordered pair minus 4, 6, ordered pair x3, y3 is equal to ordered pair minus 3, minus 5. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 absolute value, that is mod x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2 bracket close mod close. Substituting the value 1 by 2 bracket 1 of 6 minus of minus 5 bracket close plus minus 4 bracket minus 5 minus of minus 1 bracket close plus minus 3 bracket minus 1 minus 6 bracket close mod close is equal to 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 5 plus 6 11 11 1 is 11 plus minus into minus plus 1 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16 plus minus 7 into minus 3 minus into minus plus 21 is equal to 1 by 2 11 plus 16 plus 21 is equal to 48. 48 by 2, 24 square units. Therefore, area of triangle is 24 square units. Third question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A of ordered pair 4, minus 3 and B of ordered pair 8, 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1 internally. Answer, let P of x, y be the required point. X, y ordered pair is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Substituting the value, ordered pair x1 comma y1 is equal to ordered pair 4 comma minus 3 comma ordered pair x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair 8 comma 5. m1 is to m2 is equal to 3 is to 1. Substituting the value, 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 divided by 3 plus 1 comma 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 8 3 is a 24 plus 4 1 is a 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 comma 5 3 is a 15 plus into minus minus 3 1 is a 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4 is equal to 28 by 4 comma 12 by 4, that is equal to 4 7s comma 4 3s x comma y ordered pair is equal to 4 comma 7 comma 3 ordered pair. Fourth question, find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from ordered pair 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Answer, let the point be x comma 0 on the x-axis which is equidistant from ordered pair 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Ordered pair x1 comma y1 is equal to ordered pair 2 comma minus 5. Ordered pair x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair x comma 0. Ordered pair x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 2 comma 9 comma ordered pair x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair x comma 0. Substituting the value, root x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus of minus 5 the whole square is equal to root x minus of minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square is equal to root a minus b whole square x square plus 2 square is 4 minus 4x plus minus 5 whole square is 25 is equal to root a minus b whole square x square plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into x into 2 that is 4x plus 9 square is 81. Squaring on both sides we get x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. X square get cancelled, minus 4x plus 25 is equal to plus 4x plus 85. Shifting variable on one side and numbers on one side, plus 4x minus 4x shifted to other side plus 4x that is 8x is equal to 29 minus 85 is minus 56 divided by 8, x is equal to minus 7. Therefore, the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from ordered pair 2 comma minus 5 and ordered pair minus 2 comma 9 is ordered pair minus 7 comma 0. Fifth question, find a relation between x and y such that the point ordered pair x comma y is equidistant from the point ordered pair 3 comma 6 and ordered pair minus 3 comma 4. Answer, using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Ordered pair x1 comma y1 is equal to ordered pair 3 comma 6 comma ordered pair x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair x comma y. Ordered pair x1 comma y1 is equal to ordered pair minus 3 comma 4 comma ordered pair x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair x comma y. Substituting the value, root x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 6 the whole square is equal to root x minus of minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 4 the whole square. Square root a minus b whole square x square plus 3 square is 9 minus 2ab minus 6x plus a minus b whole square y square plus 6 square minus 2 into 6 into y is minus 12y is equal to root a plus b the whole square x square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 into x into 3 6x plus a minus b whole square y square plus 4 square is 16 minus 2 into y into 4 is minus 8y. Squaring on both sides we get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y is equal to x square plus 9 plus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. X square get cancelled, y square get cancelled, minus 6x minus 12y, 36 plus 9 is 45 is equal to plus 6x minus 8y, 16 plus 9, 25. Shifting all to the right side, plus 6x is 12x, minus 8y plus 12y is 4y is equal to, shift the number to one side, 45 minus 25 is equal to 20. Throughout divide by 4, 4 3s are 3x plus 4 1s are 1y is equal to 4 5s are 3x plus y is equal to 5. Sixth question, find the coordinates of a point capital letter A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is ordered pair 2, minus 3 and B is ordered pair 1, 4. Answer, we know that to find the coordinates of a point A, AB is the diameter and the coordinate of the center are 2, minus 3 and the coordinate of the point B are 1, 4. Let the coordinate of the point A are x, y. Using midpoint formula, ordered pair x, y is equal to ordered pair x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substituting the values, x, y ordered pair is equal to 2, minus 3, x1, y1 ordered pair is equal to x, y, ordered pair x2, y2 is equal to ordered pair 1, 4. Substituting the values, 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, 2 2s are 4 is equal to x plus 1, x is equal to 4 minus 1, which implies x is equal to 3. Minus 3 is equal to 4 plus y by 2. Cross multiplication, minus 6 is equal to 4 plus y is equal to minus 6 minus 4, which implies y is equal to minus 10. Therefore, the coordinates of the point A are ordered pair 3, minus 10. Seventh question, find the value of k if the points ordered pair 7, minus 2, ordered pair 5, 1, ordered pair 3, k are collinear. Answer, since the given points are collinear, it means the area of triangle formed by them is equal to 0. 1 by 2 bracket x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2 bracket close is equal to 0. Ordered pair x1, y1 is equal to 7, minus 2 ordered pair, x2, y2 ordered pair is equal to 5, 1 ordered pair, ordered pair x3, y3 is equal to ordered pair 3, 4. Substituting the values in the above formula, 1 by 2 bracket 7 bracket 1 minus k plus 5 bracket k minus of minus 2 bracket close plus 3 bracket minus 2 minus 1 bracket close whole bracket close is equal to 0. 1 by 2, 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 bracket close is equal to 0. 1 by 2, 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2, 7 plus 1, 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. 8 minus 2k is equal to 2 into 0, 0. 2k is equal to 8 throughout divided by 2, which implies k is equal to 4. Eighth question, find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points ordered pair 2, 3 and ordered pair 4, 7. Answer, ordered pair x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3, ordered pair x2, y2 is equal to 4, 7. Using midpoint formula, ordered pair x, y is equal to bracket x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substituting the values, 2 plus 4 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2, 10 by 2. 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 3, 5 ordered pair. Ninth question, find the distance between the points ordered pair minus 5, 7 and ordered pair minus 1, 3. Answer, ordered pair x1, y1 is equal to ordered pair minus 5, 7, ordered pair x2, y2 is equal to ordered pair minus 1, 3. Using distance formula, AB is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Substituting the value, root of minus 1 minus of minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 7 the whole square is equal to root minus 1 minus into minus plus 5 bracket close the whole square minus 4 the whole square is equal to 4 square plus 4 square. Root 16 plus 16, root 32 is equal to root 16 2s are 32 is equal to 4 root 2 units. 10th question, find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining the points ordered pair 1, 6 and ordered pair 4, 3 in the ratio 1:2. Answer, ordered pair x1, y1 is equal to 1, 6 ordered pair, x2, y2 ordered pair is equal to 4, 3, m1 is to m2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Using section formula, m1 bracket m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus 2, comma 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6 divided by 1 plus 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 2 1s are 2 divided by 3, comma 1 3s are 3 plus 2 6 are 12 divided by 3. 6 by 3 is 2, 15 by 3 is 5. 11th question, if 1 comma 2 ordered pair, comma 4 comma y ordered pair, comma x comma 6 ordered pair and ordered pair 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Answer, let A of ordered pair 1 comma 2 comma B of ordered pair y 4 comma y comma C of ordered pair x comma 6 and D of ordered pair 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram ABCD. Since the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, O is the midpoint of diagonal AC and diagonal BD. If O is the midpoint of AC, using midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 comma y1 is equal to ordered pair 1 comma 2, x2 comma y2 is equal to ordered pair x comma 6. Substituting the value, 1 plus x by 2 comma 2 plus 6 by 2, which implies 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2 is equal to 4, that is ordered pair x plus 1 by 2 comma 4. O is the midpoint of BD. x1 comma y1 ordered pair is equal to 4 comma y, x2 comma y2 ordered pair is equal to 3 comma 5. 4 plus 3 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2, which implies 7 by 2 comma 5 plus y by 2. Since both the coordinates are of the same point, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2 and 4 is equal to y plus y 5 plus y by 2. 2 2 get cancelled. X plus 1 is equal to 7. Cross multiplication, 8 is equal to 5 plus y. X is equal to 7 minus 1 is 6 and y is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.